Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make resume on Overleaf. So first of all, from the Overleaf home page, here you will have to go to new project. On new project, you will need to scroll down and you want to pick this a template for resume or CV. Scroll down, pick a resume you like. Let's going to pick this one here. For example, now open this as template and then wait for it to load. It will take a bit. Now once it's loaded, you will see two screens here, the CV here and also the coding line here. Since overlay uses latex, if you want to change anything from the CV here, you will have to change it on the coding line here as well. So for example, here I'm going to find your name here and I'm going to change it. So this is the header, your name here. I'm going to change it to example name there, just as an example. If you want to change anything, you have to add it onto the lines here, but once you change something, you will have to recompile and wait for it to load again, and you will see the change here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make resume on Overleaf. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.